Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable magnification vision accessibility zoom in Moto G77. First of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on accessibility, scroll down, click on magnification. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, click on got it, click on this icon. Now click on setting. Now here you will see magnifier size slide, and if you want to zoom, then the slide move to right and click on done. After click on done, enable magnification vision accessibility zoom from your phone. This is how you can enable vision accessibility zoom in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.